Well, I've been back at it this morning. I bolted it on. I've been working on it for maybe 2 hours. I bolted it on. I had to re-drill these top holes because the existing hole was too far over. I needed 8 inches from the center of this one to the center of this one. That's where my clamps line up. I am going to put a board across the back. I have to put a board because I need at least 1.25 inches, let's say, to here for that clamp to reach. I've cut the inside pieces, marking it all up, but that turned out well so far, at least from what I can tell. I'm going to be cutting the bottom off somewhere around here, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the motor on and put the boards behind it to get it to sit right, and then lower it to the right height, get it where I want it, and then that's where it will determine where I cut this. I'm not exactly sure yet. You know, you can see that that's my bracket there behind. I'm not sure if I want to cut it that close or just have a little bit extra. Now the clamp, or the bottom of my motor, this part of the motor, the bracket sits 7 inches down. So that mark is at 8. So that would give me 1 inch of a little bit extra at the bottom there. But that's what I'm going to do right now. I made the mistake of not bringing any wood home, but I found this board floating in the canal, and it's still in pretty good shape. So I'm just going to cut some pieces off of it right now. If it looks like crap, or if the wood's not that good of shape, I'll try to find some better pieces. But why not use the piece out of the canal? You know, it's fitting for the boat. Anyway, that's what I'm going to do. Cut some pieces up, set the motor on there, and I'll videotape that after, once I get the motor on there and get it to the right height, and I'll show you what I'm doing with cutting the bottom off. Everything's going pretty good so far, so check out my next video. Thanks for watching.